It's Tim Albright with AVNation with the road to ISE. Integrated Systems Europe comes your way the 30th of January through the 2nd of February. And with me to talk about their stand is Mr. Brandon Heinz from Renkus-Heinz. Welcome, sir.
Hey, how are you doing, Tim? Thank you so much for having me.
I am doing fantastic. Looking forward to seeing you guys. You are in Hall 7 C700. 7C700. Brandon, we know your company, obviously been around a long time. What will we find in the Renkus-Heinz stand this time around?
Yeah, so this year we're really excited to show off our new Omni-Beam beam steering software technology. It is really a revolution in beam steering loudspeaker systems that allows more people than ever before to take advantage of all of the power that beam steering has to offer with a brand new under-the-hood software algorithm combined with a really easy to use software interface that allows users to get great results from venue to venue, from project to project, all in a matter of seconds with a click of a convenient snap to audience button. It's really great, and we're excited to showcase it here at ISE 2024.
You say more people than ever before. What does that mean? Because I'm not that smart. Does that mean that I can program this sucker?
I'm pretty sure you would be able to at this point. As long as you can figure out how high the loudspeaker is and where your audience area starts and ends, you'd be able to get great results in a matter of seconds. So what that means is beam steering technology for a long time has kind of had the perception that it's hard to use, it's relatively complicated, and to be honest, we may have been one of the reasons for that. Our older softwares, while they were incredibly powerful, did require a lot of time and knowledge on the part of the user.
Let's just say geometry was involved at one point in time, and I failed that in high school 100 years ago. So.
Yeah, but anyways, it's really fast, incredibly powerful, and we'll have a little demonstration on the booth where a user can play with the software in real time with the loudspeaker attached, so they'll be able to hear what it does in real time, see what the software does, how it feels, and how it all works.
Talk for a second, Brandon, about not just Renkus-Heinz movement, but the audio segment in general into a more software-centric approach. Now, y'all still make gear, right? You still make speakers, but you guys and others as well are pouring, lots of resources and developing some pretty killer applications that are 100%, software. So you guys have an entire software development team, department, area. Why is that so important today?
I think a lot of it is important, especially for what we do, because the acoustics part is one aspect, but the underlying software tools that our modern day DSP enable us is part of the reason why these software tools are more important than ever before. In the past, where you just had large format horns or traditional line arrays that you kind of point them and shoot them, there are software tools that have helped evolve those tools as well, but especially for the beam steered loudspeakers, the software tools is really what allows it to do what it does. So we are continuously evolving our under the hood software tools to make sure that they allow our loudspeakers to do more than they could yesterday, do it faster than they could yesterday, more efficiently than they could yesterday. So it's all really nice stuff. And software is very important, and it's not going to become any less important anytime soon.
Absolutely not. All right, Hall 7 C700 is where we will find you, Brandon, where we'll find Renkus-Heinz. But if somebody is not going to ISE and they want to follow along with everything that Renkus-Heinz will be talking about, how do they do that?
So there's actually some interesting news if you're not going to be able to go to ISE. So yes, we have a nice online presence. Our website is www.renkus-heinz.com. But we also have a brand new experience center centrally located to most of Europe in Den Haag in the Netherlands. Our Dutch distributor just put together a really incredible experience center featuring Renkus-Heinz loudspeaker technology and Amadeus Acoustics active acoustics technology. And the two of them together really work to create a breathtaking audio experience. And it's all thanks to our Dutch distributor, More Distribution. So you can get in touch with them and find out how you can really experience Renkus-Heinz loudspeaker technology in a place that's convenient to you if you're not going to ISE. You can also find us again, as I mentioned earlier, online at www.renkus-heinz.com.
All right, very good. Brandon Heinz from Renkus-Heinz. Thank you so much. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv, and follow along as we also head to Barcelona, the 30th of January through the 2nd of February. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.